Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Draw a rectangle on your canvas. Photoshop creates a frame, a fixed-size container that accepts any image dropped into it. Drag a photograph from your file system directly into the frame. The image clips to the frame boundary automatically. Double-click the frame to reposition the image inside it. Double-click outside to exit. Frames remain independently resizable. Change the container without affecting the image content. For template-based design, magazines, portfolios, social media templates, frames replace the old clipping mask workflow entirely with a cleaner, more intuitive system.